How to use or redeem your BPI credit card. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use or redeem your BPI credit card. First, activate your card by following BPI message or app instructions after receiving it. Now, use your card for purchases in stores, restaurants, or online merchants that accept Visa or MasterCard. For online use, enable your card for e-commerce via the BPI app or hotline. Always check your credit limit in the BPI app before large purchases. You can pay bills, book flights, or shop online using your BPI card for rewards points. Then, log into the BPI app and select Rewards to view your earned points or cashback. Here, select Redeem Rewards and choose from shopping credits, e-gift cards, travel, or cashback. Confirm your redemption, and the reward will be credited or delivered based on your choice. Lastly, track redemptions and card usage in your BPI app transaction history. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.